we keep using this term decoding and encoding. What is it? What's the difference between decoding, encoding, reading and spelling?
So reading is actually about ideas. It's not about ink on paper. You can read through letters and text. You can read through Braille. You can read through sign language. You can read through audiobooks. There's different ways to read. When it comes to text, and we are trying to accurately associate the sound, what we call the phoneme, the smallest parts of speech, with the grapheme or the letter, or sometimes combination of letters that we also call the orthographic pattern. When we look at those and we look at the symbols and we know what the sound is that they're supposed to make, that's called decoding. That is not reliant upon visual memory. That is reliant upon recognition of sound symbol association through a process we call language processing. And it's a skill that we develop, not the natural in the brain to do it, we develop it. So that's what we consider decoding. Decoding is looking at the text or orthographic patterns or graphemes and knowing the sound. Encoding is the inverse of that. That is hearing the sound and knowing which symbols to use to represent that sound. And actually spelling, even if you go through remediation, is not as predictable as decoding. So, you get better at it for sure, because now you know the real possibilities for it. But it's the decoding that we're really trying to give, that long-term access to.